Grid trading. What is grid trading? Grid trading is a strategic tool that automates buying and selling futures contracts at present intervals around a present price range. In this way, it constructs a trading grid. Grid trading performs the best in volatile markets when prices fluctuate at specific intervals. Essentially, grid trading attempts to make profits on small price changes. It systematically executes buy and sell limit orders that are predefined in a range to profit from price volatility. The more frequently the market fluctuates within the price range, the more profit you stand to make. Let's take the BTC USDT perpetual contract as an example. To begin, you can choose from two predefined modes. The arithmetic mode constructs each grid with an equal price difference, while the geometric mode constructs each grid with an equal price ratio difference. Select between the two modes to begin building your strategy. Next, set the number of grids and enter the lower and upper price range. The system will calculate the initial margin value based on your chosen leverage ratio and grid density. Please note that a minimum initial margin is required to launch the grid trading system. Note that the denser the grid, the greater the corresponding initial margin. Please make sure that your available balance and maintenance margin is higher than the initial margin. And finally, click Create to create a grid order. When a grid trade is triggered, the system divides the asset price range into several grids, according to your parameters, and sets pending orders for each price level. When the asset's price falls, a buy order is executed, and a sell order is placed immediately at a high price. When an asset's price rises, a buy order is placed immediately at a lower price as soon as a sell order is executed. This strategy sets you up to buy low and sell high, and allows you to make profits in volatile market conditions. To monitor trading activity, click the Active Grid tab to find grid trading details. Click View to update the grid strategy or include a stop trigger. Lastly, click Terminate to end the grid trading system. Why grid trading? The main advantage of grid trading is that it allows you to trade systematically without forecasting the market direction. In ranging markets, grid trading tends to be more effective. But the question is, will it be applicable when prices are trending? Even in trending markets, volatility continues to exist, especially in short time frames where prices fluctuate rapidly due to a surge in trading activity. Grid trading benefits from small price changes and allows you to capitalize on increased market volatility. It is also convenient as it eliminates the need to place orders and monitor real-time market movements manually. Trading tips. Determining a reasonable price range is the key to ensure your strategy's profitability. This means that you need to be extremely selective on market conditions suitable for your strategy to avoid being on the wrong side of a trending market. Importantly, you must ensure the proper risk management measures are in place. Therefore, you must determine a suitable leverage ratio and set appropriate take profit and stop loss orders to avoid losses caused by market fluctuations. For example, if a sell order is placed, a stop loss should be above the top of the price range, and if a buy order is placed, a stop loss should be below the bottom of the range. Lastly, ensure that your grid trading parameters are compatible with the prevailing market conditions, especially in range-bound markets. Limits orders placed out of range are unlikely to get filled and, as such, causing missed opportunity. The grid trading parameters can be adjusted in real time according to the prevailing market conditions. Grid trading is ideal for novices who want to trade in a systematic approach. Don't miss the opportunity to capitalize on market volatility. Explore it today.